Don't let me over, loser. Oh my god. Yes, too big, my whole foot is coming out.
That is definitely not too big. You're bugging.
So why can't I walk in it?
That's how Crocs are.
No way. Oh my goodness! They so cute like me. Wait, so how do you walk in these? My whole foot is
Like flip-flop thing.
oh my goodness, it's a mom and son one.
That's it. It fits her. I mean, you have to walk with it like flip-flop and kick four up. I can keep those.
I'm really.
You need to use the strap.
How does everybody do it though?
Because you're a loser.
I'm gonna be embarrassing myself.
You acting, right? You acting, right?
I'm not acting. It's my foot is walking and the Crocs is staying on the floor. That's why I thought it was.
So you want it to be down, but you're really not down.
So I put it facing me, yeah, because it's mine. Ah.
You want people to read it just to face the other way.
Yes, baby. That's you and mommy. Mom life, girl, I'm about that life. Yeah, we about that life. Too many.
That's
Yeah, those are big.
You got more holes? Oh, yours is small.
Hey guys, so I just got back and I'm supposed to get ready to go to my cousin's surprise birthday party. Look at my hair. It's raining outside, got caught in the rain. If you have curly hair, like, and people tell you like, oh yeah, fine in the rain, like, they don't even know the half of it. Not even curly hair, all types of hair, it gets messed up in the rain. So like, this was a juicy wash and go. Now it's just, I don't know, I can't even put it in a ponytail because of my new growth. Like, it's gonna have an afro in front of the ponytail. Let me get ready because I'm pressed for time. I gotta get ready in like 20 minutes, which is impossible for me because I take like 2 hours. I'm gonna stop recording.
I know you wanna feel, so baby keep it real. I really wanna see, I know you won't be, and I think you
So I don't know why it looks so yellow in the bathroom, but face it.
that the place is looking, like it's gonna be open up again, where we can socialize. Came out, Brighton, just enjoy her strong,
Hey guys, so I already like rubbed, look at my eyes. I took my eyelashes off and then I rubbed my eyes beginning. So I didn't get to stay too long at my cousin's party, but it was so beautiful and it was nice seeing everyone. As you can hear my boo-boo, Sire's here. Let me stop talking before I get copyrighted. So I'm about to take a makeup wipe and wipe this off and then wash my face. But guess what? Ragnarok is back! Ragnarok got new episodes. Ragnarok has new episodes. Real ones, no. Are you kidding me? Ragnarok? Original language, okay? Don't watch it with the voiceovers because it's gonna make you think it's corny. It's gonna ruin the vibe. Watch it in the original audio on Netflix. So I'm about to wipe this off, watch that, and then after like I eat a snack, I'll wash my face thoroughly. Just cause I gotta let y'all know every single thing unless somebody gonna say, oh my god. But bye. Hey guys. Ooh. I gotta find a new place for my phone to go. But I'm gonna take this emergency probiotics. Some people just eat a regular orange. But I feel kind of... Dang, this thing is not ripping. Okay, got it. So I always keep one of these in my car. I haven't been sick for maybe 2 years. Because when I was pregnant, I was very cautious too. This is too much water because I like it really concentrated. I'm just pouring some out. I think I poured too much out, but so yeah, since I'm going out twice this weekend, this is just what I do. Make sure I don't get sick, make sure my son doesn't get sick from me. I don't even like Nestle water, so don't judge me for drinking this. You know what? Let's normalize not giving freaking disclaimers for you angry people that always got something to say about nothing. When did y'all become high critics? I'm just gonna shake this up. Like, I know everybody wants to return back to the way it was, but you just gotta kind of accept that things are different now and you gotta take extra precautions. And it's okay, like, it's just gonna be a new kind of routine, like. But a lot of people like tell me like, this pandemic makes me sick, I hate it, forget it, I'm not doing nothing, like whatever, it's whatever happens happens. And I'm just like, you're uncomfortable with change and you have to think about the bigger picture, think about your family, think about the older people you live with, think about babies you're gonna be around. Like, if you don't care for yourself, that is your prerogative. I'm not going to dismiss, but you should also care about other people. So if you're not doing it for you, cool, but don't put other people at risk, because of your decision. If you're already sick, if you already have a cold, it's probably too late to drink this. This is more like a in advance kind of thing. Or even like if you feel like a little tickle, like when you get a cold, you get a little tickle in your throat. If you're at the tickling stage, you could drink it and it will save yourself. It's already bloomed into a cold. This probably wouldn't help, but you could just try it. You never know. So it's pretty late. Sorry, I had a late start to the day. And we went to the park and just chilled in the stroller. I have a sweet potato steaming right now in the baby bullet steamer. So these are his potatoes. Oops, getting steamy. You get the picture. And I'm just craving sweets and I'm trying to save. I'm trying to save for my vacation. Ouch. So I'm trying not to buy, you know how I always have like Intimins and mad snacks. I'm trying to like cut down where I can. So I'm like, okay. So I got like a lot of things I can bake. So we just added some water. Yes, boo boo. Your sweet potatoes are cooking. I just had to brush my hair because it was so tangled and it's really greasy right now. But yeah, so I'm gonna make some brownies today. I got the Betty Crocker Supreme Triple Chunk Brownie Mix. And you only need water, vegetable oil, and an egg. You can see all the chunks. Y'all loud, y'all loud. I can hear y'all judging me for doing that with a fork. But brownie mix is not hard to stir. But you can definitely use a mixer, cut down the time. So this is baby sweet potato. It's really dark. I got put on your bib, baby. Yeah, then you got your sweet potatoes. Where's your bib? Where my baby's bib? Where that baby's bib? I haven't made brownies since college. I graduated college in 2015. So I hope this thing comes out right because I'm really craving like a snack. And that way, like when I bake it, it'll last me for like a week. Unless it's really good, I might eat that in 3 days. This brownie, coming in the light, the side over there, but so good. And it's not burnt or anything. I wasn't gonna record eating it. I'm using my phone right now, that's why I'm blowing. I had to just run and get it to show you guys, like, slaps, bussin'. I don't even talk like that. Nah, it's real good. Good night, guys.
Has been in my house.
Hey guys, we at a Rooftop pizza place. Mommy, take a video. This way or that way? That way. Okay. It's so cute.
I don't want to use it in beer cup. Oh, look like the Coke is out.
Sorry, you showing out today.
What can I get for you, man?
A margarita pizza and 2 hibisco margaritas.
Gotcha.
Are those? Sure. Are those sweet?
Yeah, they're gonna be on screen.
Okay. Can I also have a Pepsi, please? My bra is not looking right with this. It fell on this side? Oh, I see it. Hi, Sire. No, that's Tally's. That's not yours. Can you hold it, sire? Mommy want to drink her drink. Nice and cold. I'm at the gas station right now.
Burger today at participating U.S. You wanna get with me? Stop. Yes, I'm hurting. Yes, I'm jaded. Most of these things I don't wanna say. I wanna be around while you chase. You wanna hit me.
See the way I look right now.
Enjoy the best goals of this match day in La Liga. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not basic.
So I have an order and I was supposed to go to Staples early, right? Sis woke up late. Then I had a play date with my son. So now I'm trying to make it to Staples. I'm probably gonna, there'll be a line because like with COVID it's only a certain amount. So I don't even know if they're gonna let me do it. They might not even let me in because like there was probably like a line at the door and a line inside. So I don't know, but I pray that they let me in because I really need this done. So guys, I'll speak to you guys when I'm in. I don't know, I'm not even gonna speak to y'all in Staples. I'm gonna print my order stuff for Sitem Graphics. I don't know if I said that, but I'm gonna print these custom labels and that's it. I'll talk to you guys later. I made it inside. And the line's not even long. Look at toesy, toesy, toes. Y'all, it's already dark. Like, oh, that took forever. But I got everything printed. Some of them, yes, babe. Some of them, I'm trying to get my keys. It's so hot. It's like 85 degrees. Then I gotta put the stroller in the trunk. But okay, bye guys. Okay guys, look at these stickers. Look at the labels. Super cute. I'm really happy with how they came out. This is just a birthday survival kit. It's perfect for vacations or just a party bag after a wild party. But yeah, place your orders at Sitem Graphics on Instagram. Right now I'm in Target because my cousin gave us the idea of a little brunch.
Over there.
This one is 6
Is a microwave?
and it's 11.
Where is your microwave?
This is the back wall.
Pine nuts. Oh, I found it in the other aisle. Pine nuts. So we couldn't find everything we needed, so I'm gonna have to try another grocery store, and I'm annoyed. So I probably won't vlog until tomorrow when I'm cooking and we have the brunch. My eyes are getting so red. I'm tired. Mommy's tired. What's this? Parsley. The only basil I see. I just got back, washed my hands and everything, but I could not find most of the stuff I needed for the burrata toast. Oh shoot, I was about to fall on this chair. So I'm very upset, but supposedly you can use mozzarella cheese instead of burrata because it's super stretchy, and you can use Parmesan cheese instead of Romano. I went to 2 different big supermarkets and I could not find Romano cheese anywhere. Could not find burrata cheese anywhere.
My feelings on safety, so I don't go shooting where your heart be. 'Cause
Cause you take the bullet trying to save me, then I'm left to deal with making you bleed. And that's a whole lot of love, ain't trying to waste it. Like we be running them out and never make it. That's just too bitter for words, don't wanna taste it. That's just too bitter for words, don't wanna face it. But I think that I'm done tripping, I'm tripping, I've been slipping inside. This feeling you keep on hitting you. Maybe it's your love, it's too good to be true. Baby boy, your love got me tripping on you. You know your love is big enough, made me trip on you. Yeah, it's big enough, got me tripping on you. Tripping on you. My bad, tripping on you. Tripping on you. My bad, tripping on you. Tripping on you. You know you cool when now you waiting, but I act a fool when I don't get it. And I'm steady bruising just to save this, but I tripped on your love, now I'm addicted. And that's a whole lot of love, ain't tryna waste it. Like we be running them out and never make it. That's just too bitter for words, don't wanna taste it. That's just too bitter for words, don't wanna face it. But I think that I'm done tripping, I'm tripping, I've been slipping inside. This feeling you keep on hitting you. Maybe it's your love, it's too good to be true. Baby boy, your love got me tripping on you. You know your love is big enough, made me trip on you. Yeah, it's big enough, got me tripping on you. Trip. My feelings on safety, so I don't go shooting where your heart be. Cause you take the bullet trying to save me, then I'm left to deal with making you bleed. And that's a whole lot of love, ain't trying to waste it. Like we be running them out and never make it. That's just too bitter for words, don't wanna taste it. That's just too bitter for words, don't wanna face it. But I think that I'm done tripping, I'm tripping, I've been slipping inside. This feeling you keep on hitting you. Maybe it's your love, it's too good to be true. Baby boy, your love got me tripping on you. You know your love is big enough, made me trip on you. Yeah, it's big enough, got me tripping on you. Tripping on you. My bad, tripping on you. Tripping on you. My bad, tripping on you. Tripping on you. You know you cool when now you waiting, but I act a fool when I don't get it. And I'm steady bruising just to save this, but I tripped on your love, now I'm addicted. And that's a whole lot of love, ain't tryna waste it. Like we be running them out and never make it. That's just too bitter for words, don't wanna taste it. That's just too bitter for words, don't wanna face it. But I think that I'm done tripping, I'm tripping, I've been slipping inside. This feeling you keep on hitting you. Maybe it's your love, it's too good to be true. Baby boy, your love got me tripping on you. You know your love is big enough, made me trip on you. Yeah, it's big enough, got me tripping on you. Trip.
The moment of truth. Pesto.
She likes it.
Find the spicy sweet concoction. I still like it with the sweet. Let's see if it tastes good. I love it. I love it. I think I'm a pesto person.
Bio oil.
Show them your shirt.
Mr. Steal Your Heart. That's right. Yeah. For your one shoe self. Fire. Shoot it in the hoop. Yay. Shoot it in the hoop. Up here. Yay. Have y'all ever had sushi from the grocery store? Ask them. Say, have y'all ever had that before? I'm going to try this.
Hello shoppers, this week in your fresh seafood department.
Okay, so today is like let me just check my phone. May 26th. I was cute. I was close. Whew, my mind. Okay, so today what I did was I straightened up my house a bit. I set up my son's high chair. And today I finally opened my Skims set. I was saving this for like vacation. Just to have like cute house clothes on vacation. Feeling lavish. Let's see if the camera will stay. Push this chair out. My stomach has been so bloated lately, but this is the Skims set. So what I want to say about this is that it's very tight. Like, and I'm very petite, so I figured like, did I mess this up already? Yeah, I did. I'm very petite, so I was like worried that it'll be baggy in the crotch area, but it's not. And then it has like an elastic band around here. Can you guys see? Like this little tight band, just to make sure like it's giving you a little bit of shape. I guess that's what it's for. I don't really know. This is it from the back. So I don't have a bra on with this, and it still like makes the illusion that I have a little bit of breast. So I love how it hugs my body. What I will say is I don't know if the material is worth the price. This is my first time wearing it. I'll see how durable it is. Oh, and I didn't wash my hair. I just put conditioner, so it's that co-wash. I co-washed my hair. Still have some straight pieces just because I had it like I had it straight for like a month, so I'm just retraining it. So yeah, that's a little mini skin haul. I bought the pajamas for my mom for Mother's Day and this other Skims thing. So I also want to show you, I bought some utensils on Amazon just because I might start back having company. So I bought these glass straws a while ago. I don't know if I showed them in any of the vlogs. Yeah, that was a while ago. Okay, so I bought these straws. It comes with the straw cleaner too. No, my nails aren't done. My press-ons. Ava, ooh, comes with a few. So we have some of these. It's like the little slightly bent straw. There's 4 of those. Then we have the regular cylinder straight straws. And then it comes with 3 cleaners, just so you could, this ice cream truck has been around the block like 5 times now. But, save the environment, you know? Start doing reusable ones. All that plastic. But, I got that, and I got the utensils. Oh, and I got this little backsplash thing. So this is like the backsplash. It's not a towel one because obviously I don't own right now. I'm renting. I have a video on how to rent and how to afford NYC rent. So I'm saving up for a house though. So look. Let's see if it's. Ooh. Okay, so first of all, it's like 3D. So I thought it would just be like a photo backdrop thing, but you can like feel the indents of each tile, so that gives it like a realistic look. Oh my god, I'm so happy. Let me take one out for you. Okay. So this is what it looks like. You can definitely feel the bumps and grooves around each tile, like it's like a pop-out effect. Guys, take it with Amazon and take it with Amazon. I can't wait till I own my own place, and then I could do like tile. My mom tiled her backsplash in her house that she owns. Let me show you guys. My faucet is so dirty, so I just kind of wiped it for the video. But so this is what it would look like. I have my stove. Stove also needs cleaning. Oh, guys, I'm excited. And yeah, so I'm excited because of my backsplash. I can't wait to do it. Okay, but bye, guys. My hair and the lighting, how oily. Yeah, so this is why I picked up the camera. So, you know how like in the grocery store, I was getting sushi. I ended up at my parents' house. I didn't get to eat the sushi. I'm so mad because I didn't pick up chopsticks. Like that pissed me off. Did I take it out? Oh yeah, I took it out already. I don't even microwave sushi. Like you gotta eat it then and there. So I don't know if this gonna send me to the bathroom or something, but better try it. Oh, my mind has not been right. Like I'm so forgetful. I just feel like I'm not present sometimes. I'm so deep into my thoughts that so like when people hit me up with stuff, like I don't even be knowing necessarily. I don't know. My mind has just been preoccupied. I don't feel like I should apologize for it, but I also don't want to be judged for it. But I'm gonna put on some soy sauce. It's raining. I got shrimp tempura because it's cooked. A lot of sushi places don't devein the shrimp. Nope, it's given stale. Not even this. The rice is hard. I played myself. And I was really hungry, so you know, like I'm hangry right now. Throw it right in the garbage. Now I gotta find something to eat. I like ice cream truck. Let me know if you've been feeling like, I don't know, I think it's because of the quarantine and the pandemic stress and the isolation that just has me thinking and harping on stuff that I usually wouldn't. So like I haven't been myself and I haven't really been able to handle stuff that I usually do, and my memory is just like all over the place. And I'm also, just let me know if you've been feeling the same, like your mind is going crazy. I just thank everybody for always being patient with me. But I feel like life is moving fast, and sometimes I feel like I don't even know what just happened. Like, you know when you're driving for a really long time and you're like, did I stop at all the red lights? How did I get to my destination? Like, that's how I've been feeling. Like, I've been cruising on autopilot. I hope I'm not alone with this, but yeah, let me eat. So I'm at the rental place waiting for Brandy to pick up the cocktail tables.
Yeah, that's the guy.
Alright, found her. She's in there. She got the U-Haul truck. I'm gonna just wait in my car. Guys, living in New York is like no standing anytime, but they still park right in front of the police. There's some blues.
Yeah.
I don't want to pop these.
Did you bring the chargers?
There's no charger, it's just need an outlet.
Yeah, I was just talking about how it's so New York for these people to park in front of the no standing sign. Look where I'm at. But like, it's like I'm not even supposed to park here. Hey guys, so I just did my hair, nothing special. My makeup is bomb again. This time I think it's better because I took my time.
Everybody gotta get up. Shut up. Yeah, everybody gotta get up. Everybody gotta get up. Okay.
Happy birthday!
I wish that we can change places.
Hi. Yeah, that's hi. No, that's all done. Hi is just one. Just do one. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Give kiss. Leave that charger alone, guys. Let me turn this down. All right. Ooh. Hey, guys. So I'm on my way to meet... Oh, you guys cannot see me, though. Shoot. Let me get my life together right now. When I stop, I'm gonna talk to y'all, folks. If you don't let me over, loser. Freaking loser. And it's all for a red light. Yo, like he would have. There's a double parked car, so absolutely nowhere that I can go. So I'm trying to get into the next lane, and I had room. I'm switching. The guy speeds up, like literally almost hits the front of my car. So, and it's a red light. So you speed up and then let me cross because you rather me run into the parked car in front of me or hit my car as I'm trying to switch lanes. Like New York. I really hope I don't become like one of these drivers, but okay, it's just gonna have to be like this because I can't really fix it and drive. But this is let me just turn because I need to get away from these freaking people. So I'm gonna have a late lunch with Amy, and I just have on like a lounge set. We're just gonna do like a real chill girls lunch, and I'm excited because I needed this time off, this mommy time. Got my signal on, but yeah, so I'm just gonna do that, and I'll probably record a tiny bit when we're there. I don't know, you know, I feel like I've been recording at every single freaking dinner, and I don't want to be that girl that's like, oh, we gotta look nice because, you know, I don't want to make anybody uncomfortable. So let me use my GPS, and I'll talk to you guys later. The sun is hitting. My eyebrows look so dark. Let's see if I can wipe some off the top. I don't know. My eyebrows are really dark. Let me turn the car on because it's so hot. I'm by the beach. I don't want to have my AC running though. Like, so I'm just in the car waiting. I did not know you went to school in Trinidad. Just got finished. I don't even know if I recorded enough because we was chatting. Fix my hair. I'm legit the only one with a mask. Legit, because like everybody got American flags out in their yard. I'm like, okay. But everyone was treating me nicely. I'm just the only one with a mask, so I already knew what type of time they was on. I was just like, okay. Let me keep my mask on. Let me go home. But so I had a great dinner with Amy. It was so much fun, and we caught up on like everything. We did a lot of girls talk, and I'm just gonna head home. Yeah, see you guys later.